Wow, look at all this trash. If you're interested in seeing what I used up, stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So I have been using up, well, trying to use up a lot of products that I have. So in case you've been thinking about these products, if you've used them or if you've been using them and you wanted to get some feedback. This is my first time filming a video like this, I think, or maybe my second time in 3 years. But this is all my empties. I have kept these bottles now going on a month and I need to throw the trash out tomorrow. Some of these products are new to my collection and I used it up so I can give you guys a good review on it. I don't really talk about hair and body products a whole lot, but my channel does talk about not just perfume. So I figured, let me just get started. Some of y'all probably bought these items and have experienced the same results as I did with some of these, and some of them not so much. So let's just start off with the hair products since I have so much of them, okay? First up is the Pattern Beauty. This still has stuff in it. This is the Pattern Beauty Intensive Conditioner for tight textures. For me, this just literally sat on my hair. I used it to deep condition once, and then when I checked after my hair dried, it left residue in my scalp. So I was not too happy about that. But I kept on using it. I tried and tried and tried. Even on Nathan's hair, it maybe his texture's it's a little softer, looser curl than mine, so it worked better for him. But I'm just ready to let this go. So this is Pattern Beauty Intensive Conditioner for tight textures. Next up is this Moroccan oil pair. Now I bought these because I used the oil and I thought maybe this would help out with my hair, make it softer, but that was not the case. It worked better on Nathan's hair. Again, there's still a little bit of product in here, but I am so over utilizing products just because I bought them. If I bought them and they're not working the way I want them to work, I have to let them go. This one wasn't too bad, but I didn't feel the slip and the softness that I was anticipating I was going to get. I think I got a little better with the shampoo. Again, with Nathan's texture, which is a softer texture, a finer texture of hair, and my daughter's hair, it works better. But for my 4C hair, these two here, I will not repurchase or buy the full size. Sticking with conditioners, this is Quench by Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. This is a product that I have bought and rebought, and I actually really like this one. It still got a little bit in there. I know that it did keep the moisture, but I can't say that my hair grew. But I do like it. It does keep the moisture. That's why it's called Quench, right? And Jackie's Quench, moisture intensive leave-in conditioner. Yes, I will purchase again, just not at this time. I'm trying to work through too many products at the moment. If you've tried this, let me know. I would love to hear from you. So let's move on. This is the Ultra Growth Hair by Feel, Different Feel. Now, this claims to grow hair. See, it may have grown my hair, but I really didn't notice. I actually like this oil, but right now I'm using a couple of other oils, and once I get through those, I already have a backup of this anyway, so I may repurchase after that is done. Next up is TGIN Rose Water Curl Refresher. Really like this product when my hair is feeling really dry. I wear a lot of wigs, but when my hair is feeling really parched, I spray this on top and I just smooth it down with my hands. I don't wear my hair out very often. I don't wear wash and goes very often anymore because that ended up actually damaging my hair. My hair was like breaking off real easy. It was snapping. Yeah, my hair snaps, believe it or not. But this is TGIN. Thank God it's natural. Rose Water Curl Refresher. I like these products. I like the shampoo. I like the leave-in conditioner. I really like this brand. The majority of products I've used from it, I like it. So I would repurchase this product again if it's necessary. But right now my hair is not being worn out enough to repurchase another bottle of this. Next up is Donna's Recipe. Now, if you don't know, Donna's Recipe is a brand that was created by Tabitha Brown. She is an influencer. She's an actress. She came out with this line, and it was hard to get my hands on all of it. All the items that I purchased from Ulta, not from the site, so I didn't really get a discount. 3 products I've used that. As a matter of fact, we'll talk about this one here, which is the Biotin Hair Vitamin Gummies. The Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown Biotin has 10,000 mcgs, micrograms, of biotin in there. It's supposed to thicken your hair, and I don't know. I feel like my hair is kind of thick, but I'm not so sure. this is my 3rd container, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. But so far, this is actually my 2nd container, and I'm on my 3rd right now. I'm on my 3rd. I don't know if I'm gonna invest in this again, but I didn't mind it. And here we go. So this here is Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. I really, really like this. It gives me slip in my hair. Not too much slip, but it does give slip in my hair. Nathan's hair responds well to it. I really like the way my hair smells as well. For me, it lasted pretty decent because I went through 2 of these and I'm on my 3rd one, and I just finished this yesterday. Okay, so I really like this. I am going to keep on using this. I already bought backups, but after those are done, if my hair is nice and thick and fluffy like Tabitha, then I'll keep using it. If not, I might have to move on to the next, but I do like this product. Next up, we have the Extra Creamy Moisturizing Conditioner. This is also really nice. I like the way this lathers on my hair. This is a conditioner that lathers. It doesn't give a whole bunch of slip, but it does give moisture, so I don't mind it at all. I really like using this. I actually put the shampoo in my hair, then I put a little bit on top of the shampoo in my hair. I do Nathan's hair and my hair the same way, and our hair responds to it. It doesn't feel like my hair isn't snapping as much. And when you put these products in your hair, guys, if you have 4C hair, my hair curls up. So I see my curl definition and everything. That's why I'm really enjoying using these products. So I already have a backup of this, so I'm not going to say I'm going to repurchase because I already have. So that's Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown, Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Moisturizing Conditioner. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, bear with me, guys. We're almost done. We're moving on to skin. This is Exuviance Resurfacing Glycolic Wash. I finished this up. I stopped using it for a while, and then I wanted to finish it up. So what I did is I used it on my body instead of my face. I used it on my chest and my elbows and things of that nature to smoothen out my skin because my skin is very textured as I get older. So this is Exuviance Resurfacing Glycolic Wash. Would I repurchase this? I am not sure. It worked really well on my skin. My skin feels soft, so I might. I just won't use it on my face. Speaking of body, I have finished up 2 of these already. This is Buttercups and Berry Bellini. This is by Bath & Body Works. I really like Bath & Body Works shower gels because of the scent, and of course, it doesn't dry my skin out. So I really like these. Another body product, this is Ways Scalp and Body Scrub. These products are really good. I really like the scent. This is the scent Cure Chevalu or Chevalu. Really like this. If you get an opportunity to try this, you can get them at Ulta or Sephora. I would recommend you using this. This one I finished up and I have a backup. All right, so if you get a chance, check out Ways Scalp and Body Scrub. Really like this product. As a woman, we need to be sensitive about our okay? And we shouldn't be putting any type of soap in our sensitive areas. So I started using these brands, the Honey Pot and the Foaming Wash, and I don't mind it. So I finished this one up. I've already got a backup. So I don't know if you guys have tried this brand before. Let me know down in the comments. Not gonna bore you guys. I finished up 2 bottles of perfume, C by Giorgio Armani, and I finished up La Perla, and I really enjoyed wearing these fragrances, but I'm so happy I'm done with these bottles. I am not gonna repurchase either of these. Let me know if any of these things that I talked about today, the body care or the hair care products, if you use any of them, if you like them, let me know down in the comments. My name is Pamela, and I talk about all things common sense and luxury with a concentration in fragrance. So fragrance is in all my products, hence the reason I figured telling you what I finished up would be helpful to you. My goal in sharing my Empties was to let you know how these products worked for me. Perhaps you've been considering them as well and that you learned something in today's video. If you've made it this far watching this video, guys, I know you're liking what I'm putting down. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. I know you like it. Also, if my videos are stuff that's interesting to you, my channel has items that are interesting to you, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Don't forget to comment because that lets me know what I am doing right, and it lets YouTube know that you are engaging with me. Be sure to take care of yourself and each other, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!